The blind spot alert system on the 500X, also referred to as the blind spot assist in the user's manual, detects the presence of vehicles in the blind spots to the rear and side of the car using two radar sensors placed one on each side of the rear bumper. The system alerts the driver by means of an indicator light on the wing mirror, on the side where another vehicle has been detected, and by means of an acoustic signal. The sensors are activated when the vehicle speed rises above 10 km per hour or when reverse gear is engaged. The system detects vehicles approaching the rear of the car on either side and within the rear detection area when the difference in speed between your car and the approaching car is less than 50 km per hour. When being overtaken by another vehicle, if the difference in speed is less than around 25 km per hour and the vehicle remains in the blind spot for around 1.5 seconds, the indicator light on the wing mirror on the corresponding side comes on. If the difference between the speed of the two cars is more than around 25 km per hour, the indicator light does not come on. Generally speaking, the system does not indicate the presence of fixed objects, for example, guardrails, poles, walls, etc. The system has two operating modes: blind spot alert, visual mode, where the system sends a visual signal to the wing mirror on the side where the object has been detected; blind spot alert, visual and acoustic mode, where if the indicator light on the side where a vehicle has been detected is activated, then, in addition to the visual signal, the system also emits an acoustic signal. The system can be activated, deactivated from the display menu or using the Uconnect system. If the system is deactivated, no acoustic or visual signals are emitted. The system stores the operating mode in use when the engine is switched off. Each time the engine is switched on again, the previously stored mode is recalled and used. Overtaking in complete safety, avoiding all risk of collisions with unseen cars overtaking. The system eliminates the risk of colliding with a car when changing lanes.